G'day and welcome. My name's Jim and today we're going to be changing the oil pump in a Stihl 026C chainsaw. So first thing we're going to do is we're just going to take off some covers. It was already unlocked. Typical. Bit of a flat here. Oh, come on. Get out. Right. Just take this side off. You take the left side off, you take the right side off, you take the left side off, then you should get all about. Okie dokie. Right, now what we've got here is we've got this clip. Take off. Might help if I used a smaller screwdriver, but it's alright. Should be alright. So we're at the new location and it gets very cold. Got down to 0 last night, which I'm not really used to. So let's put that there. You got this little chewy thing. Sound of my door creaking. That's the thing that holds the chain. And here's your flywheel. Take this off. This little groove here sits on this little thing in there. I'll show you in a second. Actually, you can't see it right this moment. Let's do that. Take the air filter off. Unscrew, two screw, listen to all the dogs going off their nut. Right. Comes off. Let's see if we can get this in here. Wrong way. There we go. Pull this guy out. Okie dokie. And usually shove a bit of rope in there, but I bet we just shove a bit of tube in there. There we go. That did it. Now I can't get the tube out, but it's going to have to stay in there. It's a clutch. Expands with centrifugal force. As it spins, it spreads out. Grabs a hold of the bell. Right. Now we've got this piece here. It spins out clockwise like such, and this bit here goes inside that bit right there. And this spins that, which then pumps the oil. It goes through a little tiny worm gear down here and pumps the oil. So that and then up. You probably hear a geese going ape shite. Now this one here, not sure if we can get that out with a screwdriver or we use a little pair of pliers for this one. There we go. Pull him out, flick him off like that. He just sits straight in there like that. It's very easy to bring in and off. Okay, now we're going to pull off the oil pump. Oil pump, oil pump. Now, maybe this guy. Yep, it's the one for there. A screwdriver handle. So I end up a bit noisy around here at the moment. So we'll just take these out. Like such. Do you need a hand? Stop. Give that a little lever. So, such. So we get this and we push this inside. There, like that. Go. Turn him around to our oil. Right up this end. Making sure you've emptied out your oil first, otherwise the shit's going to go all over the place. And see if we can get in here and grab this. Yep, there we go. And pull that little bugger out like such. So, and supposedly we put this on here and ooh, that is way loose. That is not good. Certainly does. So, wrong bit there. So we'll reuse this one, just blow it out. Make sure it's seems to be very unblocked. Doesn't see bugger all wrong with that one either. Alrighty, so let's put that one on the new one. Like such. And this goes down into here. Put him down through the hole. I'm going to take this pipe off, which is an absolute pain in the arse to not do without stabbing yourself. Get that there. Oh my. Oh, bitch of a thing. Oh no, it's ripped too. Bugger. Shit. Ow. That hurts. I don't know if I've got another one of those pipes. I don't think so. Let's blow through this and see if it's blocked it or anything. Okay, it doesn't seem to be blocked. I don't know if this is going to be long enough now. Not good. Not good at all. Just going to cut the rip bit off and see if there's any chance it's long enough. Get on there and then fit. Bastard everything. Come on. Now, is this going to be long enough? Yes, it is at the moment.
I'm very glad that's not my idea or something.
I wonder if we can get that on a little further. It's not on that much. Come on. On you go, you bastard. Doesn't like me. Oh, doesn't like me at all. I don't know if it's going to stay on. But hopefully should be enough. It's not under any pressure anyway. So, see how it goes. Righty-go. So, put these two girls back in. And that. Oops, one here.
I got most of it in, Bobber, but it stopped siphoning and I couldn't keep the freaking hose in the bottom.
Okay. How much do you call most of?
Pardon?
Well, just use the tap then to pour it in. Put this back in, and it screws in that way, or that way, that way. There we go. Put our clutch on. Screws on anti-clockwise. Such. And I'll give it a quick hit with this. Take that out. Apparently we can't really. There we go. It's tight enough. Releases that. Let's put this on, and it's got to line up with that little shaft. Well, with that little armature thing. Right there, like that.
Fucking Jesus. It's heavier than I thought it was going to
Put our bearing on. Needle bearings. Like such. It's on there. Drive on. Put that on. Put our circlip back on. Like such. They're pretty good circlips to put on those. Oh. Right, we'll put this end in first. Just put him on like that. Thank you. Bring it over here. Shove him on there like that. That's a little loose. Go. Push it in there properly. Let's put the plug back in. Yep, looks good. Just going to do that up by hand. That's it, snug. Okay, so now we're going to fill this up with oil, and we're using McDonald's oil. It's not bad actually, pretty good. So. Good stuff. Right. Thing to hold it on there, that's it. Now, there we go. And you usually have to pull that down to get that on, but that just popped straight on, so that was good. That's it, that's done. Now, no point in putting this side on because we want to see whether we've got oil pissing out all over the place. Well, thanks for watching the video. Big shout out to my Patreons, Mitch and Jackson, legend boys. You all be good, stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow.